Choo-choo! Let's go! Faster train!
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today, James? Would you like to go to this place or that place?
Lake.
To know what to wear today, come and look at the weather first. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Since we know the weather is sunny, what will you wear? Will you wear a jacket or a shirt?
A shirt.
When we walk outside, you should always hold my hand. Don't run away, don't make too much noise, and don't go far from me.
Okay, Mom.
Before we cross, always look left and right, and check for cars, and never cross when cars are moving or the light is green.
Look at the ducks. They are calm and happy.
We should be quiet and gentle around animals. Let's not scare them so they feel safe.
Wow! What is that?
That's a fish. Can you say fish?
Fish.
Good job. Fish swim in water. Goodbye, friends. See you next time with Aza Hashem. Help your child talk.